Hi there! Welcome to our channel. Learning languages by listening and practicing. Let's start.
Scenario 1. At the airport.
Excuse me, do you know where the check-in counter for flight 236 is?
Oh, yes. It's just down the hall, to your left. Follow the signs, and you'll find it.
Thanks! By the way, have you been to this destination before?
Yes, a couple of times. It's a fantastic place. Do you need any recommendations?
Definitely. I'm all ears for good suggestions, places to visit, local food to try.
Well, there's a great local market and a charming cafe near the hotel. I can jot down the names for you.
Scenario 2. On the train.
Is this seat taken?
No, feel free to sit. Are you enjoying the train journey so far?
Absolutely. The scenery is breathtaking. Any must-see spots at our destination?
Well, the old town is a must-visit, and there's a beautiful park by the river. Great for a relaxing afternoon.
Sounds perfect. I'm looking forward to exploring. By the way, any local customs I should be aware of?
Just the usual politeness, but people are generally friendly. Don't hesitate to ask for help if you need anything.
Scenario 3. Checking in at a hotel.
Good afternoon. I have a reservation under the name Smith.
Welcome, Mr. Smith. We have your room ready. How was your journey?
It was good, thanks. By the way, any recommendations for dinner around here?
Certainly. There's a lovely seafood restaurant a few blocks away. I can make a reservation for you.
That would be great. Also, any interesting local events happening during my stay?
There's a cultural festival in the town square tomorrow evening. It's worth checking out.
Scenario 4. Asking for directions.
Excuse me, do you know how to get to the art museum from here?
Certainly. It's just a 10-minute walk. Head straight down this street, take a left, and you'll see it on your right.
Perfect. Thanks. While we're on the subject, any other hidden gems around here?
Well, the botanical garden nearby is beautiful, and there's a quaint bookstore on the next street.
That sounds wonderful. I'll make sure to explore those. Appreciate your help.
Scenario 5. In a cafe abroad.
Hi there. Do you speak English?
Yes, I do. How can I help you?
Great. I'd like to order a cappuccino and a piece of that chocolate cake, please.
Excellent choice. Anything else?
No, that's all for now. By the way, any Wi-Fi here? I need to check some maps.
Yes, the password is posted on the wall over there. Enjoy your coffee and cake.
Thanks so much. And I must say, this cafe has a charming atmosphere.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our next videos.